Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an API gateway with Amazon API Gateway, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon API Gateway service. Click on Create API. Choose the API type that fits your needs, either REST, WebSocket, or HTTP. Select REST API for this guide. Click on Build after selecting REST API. Choose New API and enter a name for your API. Optionally, you can provide a description. Select the endpoint type as regional. Click on Create API to proceed. Once your API is created, you'll land on the API dashboard. Click on Resources in the left navigation pane. To create a new resource, click on Actions and select Create Resource. Enter the resource name, such as Users. Set the resource path according to your needs. Check the box to enable CORS if you anticipate cross-origin requests. Click on Create Resource to finalize. Now, select your newly created resource. Click on Actions and then choose Create Method. Select the HTTP method you'll use, such as GET. Click on the check mark to confirm. Configure the settings for your method. For integration type, choose Lambda function if connecting to AWS Lambda. Type in the name of your Lambda function and click Save. Grant API Gateway permissions to invoke the Lambda function when prompted. Now, click on Integration Request to modify any necessary settings. You can add mapping templates or additional request parameters as needed. Next, proceed to Method Response to define your response status codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.